How to create a two-in-one video in which two videos are playing together at the same time using the YouCut video editor app. Make sure you have the latest update as always, and let's get started. This is just an example to give you an idea of how it works. And the first thing you want to do is tap on the plus right here. Then go to New Project, and you want to go to Material. Once you're here, go to where it says Color, and select one of the base colors here. And black is always the best option. Once you do this, you're going to have your base video frame. This is going to be the base video frame in which you add the other two videos. So now that you've done that, the next thing you want to do is adjust the duration as to how long this video frame is going to be to match the two videos that you will be adding on. So you can choose to adjust it from here, like this here, or go to where it says duration, and you can pull from here, or go here and put in how much time you want. So for me, I just want it to be 10 seconds long. And if you want it to be more than that, you can just make the changes from there and press the check mark. Now that you've done that, tap again to come out of here, and you'll see these tools here again. Go over to where it says BG and adjust the aspect ratio. So this here now, you'll be able to set your frame to either a horizontal video for like a YouTube video or a TikTok video or a YouTube Shorts, okay? And you just decide what you want and press the check mark. And it's always best to do the opposite of what you're inserting. So what do I mean by that? If your video is horizontal, then the videos you're gonna add should be vertical. They're gonna give you more space to work with. Now to add our first video, we'll go over to where it says PIP right here. Once I go here, I'll look for the video I want. I can long press it to preview it. And if this is what I want, I'll select it, and it's gonna appear like this here, and you'll see it appear down here. I'll just tap away here to show you that tapping here again will give me these tools to work with in which I can crop it and lower the volume, blend it, or whatever I wanna do. All right, so tap here again, or you can tap here, and then you can adjust the size of it and place it which side you want it to be. So maybe I want it to be here. You can use your two fingers to zoom in and out on it. And now we'll go back to PIP and add our other video. So I'll go with this one here, and you're gonna choose which videos you want. I'm just showing you how this works. Okay, so you just go ahead and adjust that. And once you're done, once you make the adjustments to fit into the video frame here, you will lose a bit of content for each video, but that's just how it works, unless you want to make them both small and fit into it how you want it. Remember, you can adjust the size of it by using your fingers like this here, okay, if ever you wanted to do that. And again, you can adjust the volume, the speed, and all that stuff for each video here by selecting each one of them individually and adjusting the volume, all that stuff, speed, everything like that. Then just make sure they're both matching the same duration so that at the end of the video, you won't have something like with a blank spot or whatever, okay? And that's basically it. Once you're done with all these changes, press save, and you should have a video that plays two of them together at the same time. Like and sub.